Hello everyone. Our today's topic is staffing and human resource management and process of staffing. After going through this chapter or topic, you would be able to understand the specialized duties and activities performed by human resource management or manager and describe the steps in the process of staffing. Students, in part 1, we have discussed the meaning, features, and importance of staffing. So, today I am going to discuss the topic process of staffing and human resource management. Students, as you know, all means of production like man, material, machines, money, etc., may be divided into two parts, active and passive. Active means include man, while machines, materials, money, etc., belong to passive means of production. An enterprise may have large quantity of passive means of production such as machines, materials, and money, but the same are of no use if not properly utilized. These can be utilized properly only with the help of active means, that is, human beings. When what is needed is that such human resource be made available as is perfectly efficient. It is the job of human resource management to make efficient human resource available in order to fulfill this task. Human Resource Department or HR department is established in large organizations. This department functions under the supervision of Human Resource Manager. In simple words, we can say that human resource management is that branch of management which is concerned with the recruitment, selection, development, and the optimum use of the employees. Human resource management ensures that every employee makes his maximum contribution to the achievement of business tasks. So, this is the meaning of human resource management, and staffing and human resource management are most important functions of management. Staffing is a part of human resource management. Staffing is a function which all managers need to perform. It is the job of managers to fill positions in their organizations and to make sure that right persons are appointed on the right job. In small organizations, managers may perform all duties related to employees' salary, welfare, and working conditions, but in big organizations, due to large number of employees, a separate department called the Human Resource Department is formed to manage the human resources. Human resource management has a large scope. Human resource management includes many specialized activities and duties which the human resource personnel must perform. These duties are like this. Number 1, recruitment, that is, search for qualified people. Number 2, analyzing jobs, collecting information about jobs to prepare job descriptions. Number 3, developing compensation and incentive plans. Number 4, training and development of employees for efficient performance and career growth. Number 5, maintaining labor relations and trade unions or trade union management relations. Number 6, handling grievances and complaints of employees. Number 7, providing for social security and welfare of employees. So, human resource management is the recruitment, selection, development, utilization, compensation, and motivation of human resources of the organizations. Now, the point is that human resource management and staffing are similar or different. Now, the evolution of human resource management कि ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट का कब इवोल्यूशन हुआ, कैसे ये एग्जिस्टेंस में आया, किस तरीके से हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और बिजनेस में इसका इन्वॉल्वमेंट हुआ. Human resource management has replaced the traditional concept of labor welfare and personnel management. The concept of human resource management was developed as a slow process which involves the following stages. अचानक से ये नहीं आया, धीरे धीरे करके इस प्रोसेस को का डेवलपमेंट हुआ है. सबसे पहले with emergence of industrial revolution, the trade union activities became very active. The trade unions activities forced the management to appoint a person who could act as a link between owner and persons. Mean एक ऐसा person, एक ऐसा employee appoint करना है, ये ट्रेड यूनियन ने बताया, जो बिजनेस के ओनर्स या जो टॉप मैनेजमेंट है और जो एम्प्लॉयज़ उसके बीच में एक लिंक या ब्रिज का काम कर सके. यानी जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, जो भी ग्रीवेंसेस हैं, कंप्लेंट्स हैं एम्प्लॉयज़ की, वो टॉप मैनेजमेंट तक पहुंच सके और टॉप मैनेजमेंट के जो भी ऑर्डर्स हैं, जो पॉलिसी, जो प्लानिंग्स, जो भी ऑर्डर्स होते हैं, वो बड़े इजी तरीके से एम्प्लॉयज़ तक को पहुंचाए जा सके बिना किसी प्रॉब्लम के. This results in appointment of labor welfare officer. His role was limited to the welfare of employees only. Number 4, with the introduction of factory system, large number of labor were employed under one roof. This resulted in appointment of one more person who was given responsibility of recruitment, selection and placement of persons. This person was known as personnel officer. Step number 6, in human resource management, or formerly known as personnel management, employees are considered as valuable assets. ये बहुत important point है that employees are considered as valuable assets. Human resource management provide various training and developing activities to employees to update their knowledge. Now in medium and large scale business organization, human resource management or human resource department is a common department just like production, sales, financing, accounting and purchase departments. Now the evolution of human resource management. सबसे पहले लेबर वेलफेयर ऑफिसर के नाम से ये पोस्ट होती थी, जो ऑफिसर्स या टॉप मैनेजमेंट और ओनर और एम्प्लॉयज़ के बीच में एक ब्रिज का काम करता था. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे इसमें डेवलपमेंट हुआ. उसके बाद इस एम्प्लॉय को पर्सनल मैनेजर के नाम से जाना लगा और आजकल के दिनों में, आज के टाइम में, इस डिपार्टमेंट का जो हेड होता है उसको ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर या HRM के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. So this is the evolution of human resource management. First, labor welfare officer, then personal management, and next human resource manager. 1900 में इसको एम्प्लॉई वेलफेयर के नाम से जाना जाता था. 1920 से 1930 तक पर्सनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इसका था 1940 to 1960 personal management, and from 1970 to 1980 it is known as personnel or human resource management, and in 1990 it is known as human resource management, and after 2000 स्ट्रेटेजिक ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट के नाम से इसको जाना जाने लगा. नाउ सेलिंग एंड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट, staffing and human resource department. Staffing is seen in small business organization while human resource management is in large business organization. यानी जो स्मॉल स्केल के बिजनेस हैं वहाँ पर इसको स्टाफिंग का एक छोटा सा फंक्शन माना जाता है, लेकिन जो लार्ज स्केल के बिजनेस हैं वहाँ पर अलग से एक डिपार्टमेंट होता है HRM, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट. In staffing, employees are treated as mere workers, but in human resource management or HRM, employees are considered as valuable assets. Staffing function is performed by managers at all levels. It is the job of all managers to involve directly and select people to work for their organization. Subsequently, they need to be trained and motivated. But when the organizations grow and there are large number of employees, there requires a separate department to take care of human resources. This department is called Human Resource Department or HRD department. Human Resource Management will have a specialist in managing people. Actually, staffing is a part of human resource management. It is not separate from staffing. Now, the functions of human resource management or human resource manager. There are two types of functions which are performed by a human resource manager. First is managerial functions. Second is operative functions. In managerial functions, a human resource manager perform planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. But under the operative functions, he have to perform procurement, development, compensation, maintenance, motivation and integration of the employees. Now the function of human resource department. First function is recruitment and second function is job analysis. Third function is developing compensation and incentive plans. Fourth function of human resource management is training and development of employees, maintaining labor union or management relations, handling grievances and complaints, providing social security and welfare measures, and defending company in lawsuits. Now the process of staffing. It's the most important topic of staffing process. In process, first step is estimating manpower requirement of the organization. Second step is recruitment. Third step is selection. Next step is placement and orientation. Next, training. Sixth function is appraisal. Next step is promotion and career planning and compensating. In next slides, we will discuss one by one. First is human resource planning. Planning the number of employees required and their qualifications. Second step is recruitment. Recruitment means process of searching for prospective employees. Next step is selection. Selection means choosing and appointing the right person at right place. Next function is placement and orientation. It means right one on the right job and familiarizing the work. Next step is training to improve knowledge, skills and attitude to perform better is called training. Next is performance appraisal. It means assessment of performance of the employees to ensure they are in the standard level. And next step is promotion. Promotion means movement of an employee to a higher position with higher salary. And next step is compensation. Compensation means determination of salary on the basis of nature of job, risk, responsibility and qualification. So this is the process of staffing, or you can see functions of a manager who perform the function of staffing. Now the establishing manpower requirement. What's the meaning of establishing manpower requirement? At the first step of staffing, the need for required number of employees is estimated. At the time of determining the number of persons required, the possibility regarding internal promotions, retirements, resignations and dismissals, etc. are also taken into consideration. To estimate the manpower requirement, it would be beneficial to conduct two types of analysis, namely workload analysis, and workforce analysis. Workload analysis is concerned to know the number and type of human resource necessary to complete the job in hand successfully. On the other hand, workforce analysis is concerned to know the number and type of human resource available to complete the job in hand successfully. In fact, such an exercise reveals whether we are understaffed, overstaffed, or optimally staffed. So this is the most important step of staffing. Estimating the manpower requirement of an organization is called manpower planning. It's the process of determining the number and types of staff required by an organization. Manpower planning can be divided into two parts, qualitative and quantitative aspect. Through qualitative aspects of manpower planning, management tries to ensure a fair number of staff in each department. Through qualitative aspect analysis, the quality and characteristics required for employees to perform various posts, manpower planning helps to avoid overstaffed and understaffed situations. Next important step is recruitment. Recruitment means the process of recruitment includes the search of the various sources of employees and encouraging them to send their applications to the to the enterprise. So, next step is selection. Selection is the process of choosing the best person for a particular job. Selection starts where recruitment ends. This is very important. Selection starts where recruitment ends. Selection is a negative process as it involves rejection of unsuitable candidates. The selection is done through a process which involves tests, interviews, etc. In selection, both internal and external sources of recruitment may be explored. Next step of staffing is placement and orientation. Placement means to the posting of the selected employees in the post for which he is selected. After selection, the employee is given appointment letter and is asked to occupy the vacant job position. This is called posting. Second is orientation. It refers to introducing the selected employees to his superiors, subordinates, and colleagues and familiarizing him with the rules and policies of the organization. Next step is training and development. Training means giving expertise. Training refers to the process by which the aptitude, skills, and abilities of employees to perform specific jobs are improved. It is the art of increasing the knowledge and technical skills of an employee for doing a particular job efficiently. Both newly appointed and existing staff needs training. Organizations may have in-house training centers or arrange with some institutions to provide training for their employees. You can say on the job training or of the job training. Now, the meaning of development. Development is a much wider concept compared to training, where training aims increasing one's skills and ability to do a particular job. Development aims at the overall development of a person and equips him to handle higher jobs of the organization in future. Training and development not only motivate employees, but these improve efficiency of work also. Now next step is performance appraisal. Performance appraisal means evaluating an employee's current or past performance as against certain predetermined standards. It is examining whether an employee's performance is according to the predetermined standards. The employee is informed in advance what the standards are expected from him and is examined whether he has attained the standards. An employee's wages, promotion, and training depends on his appraisal or on his performance appraisal. For example, if a sales manager was given a sales target of 2000 TV during the month, his performance will be evaluated on the basis of the standard at the end of the month. Next step of staffing is promotion and career planning. Promotion refers to the shifting of an employee from a lower position to a higher position with higher status, greater responsibilities, better facilities, and better pay or salary. Promotions are an integral part of people's career. Generally, on the basis of feedback report of employees' performance, they are given promotion and opportunities for career development. Career planning consists of activities and actions that you take to achieve your individual career goals. So, this is the meaning of career and promotion planning. Next type of staffing is compensation. It is most important function of staffing process. Compensation refers to all forms of pay or reward given to the employees. It is the reward for the efforts of employees. It may be direct financial payments like wages, salaries, incentives, commissions, bonds, etc., and indirect payment like employer paid insurance, medical facilities, traveling facilities, etc. There are some common examples of fringe benefits include medical and dental insurance, use of company car, housing allowances, educational assistance, vacations pay, sick pay, meals and employees discount. So this is the process of staffing. Thank you.